Hey folks, thanks for tuning in and being patient. If you have been following me along, I have been mentioning that I've been working on the Japanese garden, and the fall is finally here and the brutal summer is finally over. And before it gets a little too cold, I'm going to start working on it as promised. And just in time, I am going to also be reviewing a laser level that came in to review and to collaborate. So if you're interested in it, the description will be below, but I will be using it for leveling when I level out the concrete in there, and multiple other projects that I have throughout the house as well, and also French cleats that I'm working in the garage. So let's see if this I'll give you my honest assessment if it's worthwhile you purchasing it, but we'll check it out here in a minute. So yeah, the laser level LG 3D high precision 360 full layout coverage, 2 rechargeable battery packs, and self-leveling in manual mode. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Wow, that's a cool, really cool case. Wow, that's a really nice case. Oh, it's nice. Nicely packed. I was having a hard time taking it out. Oh, it feels nice and solid. Another battery. Let's see if it's charged. 3 bars. There you go. The USB cable. Laser target. Oh, man, this stuff is packed in there tight. That's for sure. Another battery. There's some sort of mount. Now you need to read the instructions for that. Really can't wait to start using it. I've always wanted one of these. Let's go ahead and read the instructions. What we're going to be doing, I spent a good amount of time this morning cleaning this all out. I wasn't sure what it was going to be like, quite frankly, but as you can see, so originally this was an actual pond. All the way around here you can see that there are the stones all the way around, and then over there by where the wheelbarrow is at, there is like a drainage system as well, and then over there you can see where there used to be water spigots coming down. And as much as I would love to have this converted back into the original state, into a pond, like a full-size pond here with some koi fish and everything, I am not going to do that. And you can see it's quite deep. That's like a couple feet at least. And the plan, quite frankly, as I mentioned before, if you've been following me before, you know. If you're new, thanks for tuning in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this water basin that was it was over here, kind of where this rose is at. It used to be buried in there, kind of barely sticking out. I took it out last summer, and I'm going to return it over here. I don't know where it was once upon a time, but I'm going to return it here, put it in there. So I need to create a wall right here so it can trap the water. I went to the store, bought some more blocks, some more concrete, and cement. So I'm going to put it here, and then somewhere around here is where the water pumps are going to be for the water fountains and the shishiodoshi. So that should be plenty of room right there. So, but before I do all that, I need to, because this is sloping down, I need to at least level it out a little bit with the concrete. This is where the laser level will come in pretty darn handy. Perfect timing. And go from there. All right. So hopefully you enjoy, and hopefully this Japanese garden turns out quite nicely. If you are new, we renovated this house a couple years ago now. About a year and a half ago or so. Former Akiya here in the countryside of Japan. And this gorgeous Japanese garden came along with it, but it was covered with bushes and in very, very bad state. I need to kind of create a somewhat flat here for these bricks. There you go, like that. There you go. I think that's going to come in pretty handy. Yeah. Wow, that's really neat. That's cool. You just press the different modes. So this one right here provides kind of like a 360. That one provides a line up and down the middle. And then here on the side, there's a lock unlock. Looks like I'm just going to keep on playing with the 360 because this allows me to kind of get a good view of this pond area. And it goes all the way back here. Should have put this in here before. Yeah, so I just took a quick break from working on the pond to cut down some of the persimmons, the hoshigaki, the ones that don't taste very good, but then they hang them and they turn very sweet. And so I just gave some away. The neighbors were over, and then so we just ended up picking everything and went around the neighborhood and gave away what we have. So right now I'm going to raise the basin quite a bit, probably a little bit more. So probably down to about that area right there, which would be exposed. The reason why it's blinking right now because it's not leveled, but if I were to lock it, it would quit blinking, but it's not leveled. So this is a self-leveling device. So probably around there is what I need to elevate it. So I need to find some center blocks and then make sure that there's enough room for the pump as well. this ought to do it for today. Let's see. So I pretty much cemented this water basin here in place. Right now I'm just going to let it dry. It's Sunday, so I probably won't get to it till next weekend. And then after that, somehow kind of create, probably with this rebar or something, where they will be held in place and then able to hold decorative rocks over it with probably some wire mesh below it first, and then the water just drain away. And so yeah, so it's pretty much got this somewhat level and elevated, and you can see how it works out. All right, folks, hopefully you're enjoying this Japanese garden restoration, and hopefully it turns out okay. For reference, it's October 20th of 2024, so I'm trying to get this done before it is too cold. And then also this beautiful maple tree turns bright red, and it's really pretty. And then as the leaves fall down, it's I could just imagine what it's going to look like. All right, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Bye.